Well, boys, it's happening. But the crazy thing is, no one seems to be really paying attention. The good news is, though, because you're watching this video right now, you're going to be ahead of all of the people who are going to start feeling the FOMO in the next month or so. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is at the top of this trading pattern, which seems to be a bull flag. It could be a broadening wedge or whatever, but no matter what, it's definitely bullish. You might even say that this is a possible inverted head and shoulders. I'm seeing all kinds of bullish indications here in the charts, and I'm just waiting for this volume to start coming in to show us that we're going to be breaking out and probably heading towards that price target of about $100,000. At the time of recording, we're sitting at about $65,700, and we could come back down here a little bit to find some support over the weekend before going to the upside some more on Monday, hopefully. But we have formed a higher low here and now a higher high, so it looks like we are actually beginning an uptrend. And as long as Bitcoin can break above about 70,000, hopefully here in the next week or so, then like I said in my last video, it looks like Santa might be coming a little bit early this year, and we could be starting the parabolic phase of this bull market in the next month. October is historically one of the most bullish months of the year, and with us being in an election cycle and with us just having seen the first Fed rate cut, it looks like things are about to start heating up and we could be in for some really huge gains throughout the end of the year. We're about 1 week past the September 20th quadruple witching date, and it looks like those 4 witches have showed up and they're saving us, and hopefully whatever spell they've actually put on the market is actually going to see us break above this $70,000 resistance and put in a significantly higher all-time high, which will kick off the FOMO. And like I said at the beginning of this video, since you're watching right now while no one else is paying attention, you're already a few steps ahead, and you might actually stand a real chance of making life-changing money in this bull market. In other news, like I also said in my previous videos, I thought probably Kamala Harris was going to start sounding a lot more pro-cryptocurrency now that Donald Trump has been. And of course it's bullshit, but it's bullish bullshit, so I'll take it. But just like with trading, don't let your emotions get the best of you, because Kamala Harris is going to be lying nonstop, just like she has been for all of history, I guess. And the lies are only going to become more and more egregious probably as we near closer and closer to the election date. Like I always say, a vote for Kamala is a vote against your own wallet. But if she wants to go ahead and act all pro-cryptocurrency, then I'll take it, because a lot of people who don't think for themselves are going to believe this nonsense. And those people are all over the place, even in crypto. So anything that's coming from either presidential candidate that sounds pro-crypto is probably going to bring more attention to the space and more people that are new that can actually bring in new money. Speaking of people who don't think for themselves, Mark Cuban apparently wants Gary Gensler's job at the SEC. Well, I think he would be a horrible fit for that position, and it would probably be bad for all of us in crypto, even though Mark Cuban has been pro-crypto. He is an absolute moron, and we probably don't want him calling the shots for us. In my opinion, the title of this article should probably really be Mark Cuban Wants to Remain Relevant, and since he came out in support of Kamala Harris, a lot of people in the crypto community have turned their backs on him. So he's probably trying to get back on our good side, but just like with whatever Kamala Harris says, don't fall for this garbage either. You really think that Mark Cuban wants to help you out? He doesn't give a damn about anybody in crypto. He just wants more power, and he wants to be like Elon Musk or something. He's just upset that nobody really respects anything that he says anymore. Finally, and maybe even one of the most bullish things that people aren't really expecting, it looks like, according to this article on Cointelegraph, Binance co-founder CZ is now free. There's not all that many people talking about this because CZ isn't the CEO of Binance anymore. But in the last bull run, a lot of people were really looking up to CZ and paying attention to what he had to say. So if he actually comes back to the crypto community and maybe even makes some kind of new projects or gets added to some kind of a big team like Binance again, then this could definitely bring a lot of attention back to the crypto market, and a lot of people who probably left the crypto market in the last bull run might actually see that familiar face returning and come back to see what the heck is going on. I'm not really sure what CZ's plans are or anything like that, but in the last bull market he had a whole bunch of people talking, so maybe he can bring back some of that attention, and this could just be another one of these big catalysts that can all add together and accumulate, resulting in the parabolic next phase of this bull market. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is Bitcoin actually going to break above and stay above $70,000 this time? Or are we going to get rejected once again here at the top of this pattern that we've been stuck in for several months now? Either way, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if it brought you value. But most importantly, don't forget to do only good every day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.